Hey there, if you are using a Lyca mobile physical SIM and want to upgrade to an eSIM, follow this simple step-by-step guide. First, ensure your smartphone supports eSIM. You can check this by going to your phone settings, then go to your mobile network settings, then select Add eSIM on your device. To request an eSIM, contact Lyca mobile customer support. You can do this through their website or mobile app or by calling their customer service hotline. I'm showing you how you can do it by using their website. First, go to their website and select plans. Now um, choose app plan. You can choose best value, long-term plans, or family plans. So here you will see their plans. Select your favorite one. Select buy now. uh, you can select it buy as multi-line or buy as single line. I'm selecting buy as single line. Now add your payment method, and you enter your zip code and select your eSIM as your then select your payment method and select checkout now, and that will send you a QR code via email or SMS. This QR code is required to active your eSIM. If you want to active your eSIM by their customer support, you can do you can contact their support team to convert your physical SIM to an eSIM. You may need to provide details like your mobile number, account information, and proof identity. They also will send you a QR code via email or SMS. This QR code is required to active your eSIM. Now open phone setting and go to mobile networks or cellular and tap add eSIM and scan the QR code. Once the eSIM is activated, restart your device to apply the changes. Make sure your mobile data and calls are working properly. And that's how you can change like a physical SIM to eSIM.